All right, we are in AP Calculus Lesson 2-6, Trigonometric Chain Rules. If you say trigonometric really fast, then people don't know if you pronounce it correct or incorrect. Pro tip. Today's date is September 24th, 2020. All right, our objective today, Teflon, go. Just say it fast and no one will know. There it is, yeah. And if you don't like saying the word, you can also say trig. Apply the trig chain rule. Yeah, trig chain rules. Now it's a tongue twister. All right, so we have three trig functions that you need to know how to take the derivative of. Here they are, sine, cosine, and tangent. While it is true you might see a cosecant, a secant, a cotangent on the actual AP test, those are far more rare, so I don't teach them. All right, so when I take the derivative of sine, does the sign change? And I know that's confusing because sine and sine are the same word. But is it positive or negative when you take the derivative after you take the derivative of sine? Does anyone remember? Everyone just take a yes. Okay, it stays positive, thumbs up. It turns negative, thumbs down. And it's true, yeah, it stays positive. So this is going to, if it is positive, it's going to stay positive. It's going to stay a times, and then it flip-flops, right? It changes from a to from sine to cosine. Taking the derivative and going backwards and taking the integral, they always flip-flop between sine and cosine. So cosine of whatever that inner was. Again, I leave empty parentheses to let you know it's some inner. And never forget to multiply by your shout out dinner. Because it's always daughter times dinner. All right, what about cosine? Anyone know the derivative of cosine from last year? Chris! Okay, well, let's do this. Is it going to stay positive, thumbs up, or is it going to turn negative, thumbs down? The thumbs downs have it, it is going to turn into a negative. So if it is A, it turns into a negative A. Again, times flip-flop, Chris turns from cosine to, and don't forget your, there it is, thank you, your inner. All right, ooh, the derivative of tangent, that's a harder one to remember. Anyone remember it from last year? It is secant squared. Again, I have to copy down the A times secant squared of whatever that inner was, and then multiplied by your, you guys will all shout out, dinner. Don't forget your dinner. All right, let's try some of these. Example 1, Andrea, start us off. Times 3. Fiona, where did that 3 come from? Yep. All right, and then go ahead and simplify it for us, Fiona, please. There it is, 6 cosine of 3x, and we box our final answer. And I forgot to say this, but yeah, our trick for remembering when we go forwards, when we take the derivative, not going backwards, not taking the integral yet, when we go forwards, S stands for same, S-A-M-E, and C stands for change, C-H-A-N-G-E, kind of a little bit squished in there. Same as in the same sign, it does not switch. If it was A, it stays A, and then C stands for change, so change from an A to a negative A. Our little mnemonic device. All right, so let's do this next one. I'll leave it up to you guys. Volunteer. The derivative of negative cosine of negative x with respect to x. Who would like to try it? She was trying to just scratching my, yeah, go for it. Sine of negative x times negative 1. Teflon, explain. Where did the, like, shouldn't we have a negative sign? Yeah, double negative, perfect. And then, can you simplify it for us too, Teflon? Negative sine of negative x, there we have it. Thank you, all right. Example 3. the derivative of 4 tangent of natural log of x with respect to x. What have we got? I want to hear from either Andrea or Chris for this one. Go for it, Andrea. Chris is going to simplify.
No.
Sorry, say the last part again. Natural log of x times
1 over x.
1 over x. Yeah, very nice. And Chris, you have an easy job right now, I think, the simplification. Just tell me the numerator and denominator. You say 4 over x, sure, and then keep going. There it is, natural log of x. Thank you, Chris. Yeah, and you could have this fraction come out here as well. It doesn't matter. Either answer is correct. All right, those are the trig chain rules. Done.